ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सुखं नित्यं स्वप्रकाशं व्यापकं नामरूपयोः अधिष्ठानं बुद्ध्यबोध्यं बुद्धिर्दृग्यत्तु निर्मलम् अपारं सर्ववेदान्तवेद्यं प्रत्यक्परं महः तदेवाहं न मत्तोऽन्यदिति मे निश्चिता मतिः। So we are seeing the answer given by the teacher regarding the Srishti Krama. The main answer given is that the Jagrat Prapancha is like Swapna, and just as Swapna, the dream world is projected simultaneously. Not that first the building material will come, then building comes. It's not like that. Everything is projected simultaneously. Father also is there, son also is there, grandson also is there. All three of them are together. So one by one they don't come. So in the dream world, there is Yugapat Srishtihi. And the Jagrat Prapancha also is Mithya and like Swapna. And therefore, Jagrat Prapancha also is Yugapat Srishtihi. It is simultaneous creation. And why this simultaneous creation is accepted by Vedanti, even though this in Taittiriya etc. the Utpatti Krama is talked about? For that answer was given that Shruti does not have Tatparyam in giving the details of creation. That is why we see the discrepancy in the description of creation. And the very description shows that Shruti does not have Tatparyam in presenting the details of creation. Then why details of creation are presented? They are presented because Shruti finally wants to talk about the Advitiyatvam, the non-duality of Brahman. For non-duality of Brahman, the Jagat Nisheda is to be done. And for the Nisheda, the negation of the world has to be brought in. And when the world is brought in, then its creation also is brought in. And thus, the creation of the world is talked about finally for conveying that there is only one non-dual Brahman. And he gave the example that somebody is playing with an elephant, toy elephant, and the toy elephant he raises with a machine. Maybe nowadays it is called drone technology. So by that drone technology he raises this elephant. And that time the ears and the legs or the tail of the elephant will not be as systematic or as organized as generally they would be. But this person is having the Tatparyam in showing his ability to make the elephant fly, the toy elephant fly, and therefore he doesn't bother about the ears and the tail of the elephant getting little bit disorganized. He will not try for setting all the limbs of the elephant right. So similarly, Brahma is Advitiyam, that is the final message of the Shruti. And for that purpose, Dvaita Rupa Prapancha is presented for negation. And this idea has been conveyed in the Prakruteta Vatva Adhikarana, where the analysis is done regarding the Neti Neti Vakya, and there Bhashyakara said that Loka Prasiddham Rupadvayam Brahmani Kalpitam Paramrushati. The Nishedatmaka Shabda, Nisheda Vakya, Neti Neti, by the word Iti, the Rupadvayam, Murta and Amurta Rupam, or Murta and Amurta aspect of Brahman are referred to, and they are negated by this Neti Neti, by Na, by the word Na, both of them are negated. And why is it done? Why this type of presentation and negation is done? Pratishedhyatvaya. So, Rupadvayam, Murta and Amurta both are presented for showing that they are negatable. And finally, Shuddha Brahma Swarupa Pratipadanaya cha, for presenting the pure Brahma. Pure Brahma means Nirupadika Brahma. And since Shruti has the Tatparyam only in Advitiya Brahma Nirupanam, therefore Shrutinam Prapancha Vishaye Anadarat. Therefore Shruti has got Anadara, the sense of non-significance or absence of the sense of significance with regard to the creation. And therefore there is no special effort made for making the description very consistent. Utpatti kramasya ekavidatvena varnane na yatnaha. There was no effort on the part of Shruti for describing the creation in an orderly manner, in the same manner. Tadutpatti vishay shrutinam vigana darshanadeva prapancha nishede eva shrutinam nairbharyam na tat utpatto vitigdeyam. Vigana darshanat. Vigana means discrepancy. Because of the observation of the discrepancy of the Shrutis with regard to the subject matter of creation of this world, from that, tad means world, prapancha, and from that itself we understand that prapancha nishedeva shrutinam nairbharyam. Nairbharyam, tatparyam. Shruti has got tatparyam in the negation of the prapancha alone and not in the utpatti of this prapancha. Itigdeyam. In this manner it should be understood. Now, in the next paragraph, the Granthakara is explaining that even though Utpatti Krama is not there, still Utpatti Krama is systematized in the Brahma Sutra, and all these Utpatti Vakyas regarding the Panchamahabhutas, they are systematized. Some Vyavastha is given regarding the Utpatti of Mahabhutas by Sutrakara and Bhashyakara. Why is it done so? For that answer is given. Shrutyukta Kramena Jagadutpatti Kathane Sutra Bhashya Kritoho Abhiprayaha. Abhipraya means the intention. Intention of whom? Sutrakara. Sutrakara means Vedavyasa, who has written Brahma Sutra. Bhashya Kritaha, the one who has composed the Bhashyam on the Sutras, Shankaracharya ji. So what is their Abhipraya? What is their intention? What they want to convey with regard to Jagadutpatti Kathane? In making a statement regarding the creation of this world, Shrutyukta Kramena, in the order which is mentioned in the Shruti. So, Sutrakara and Bhashyakara are presenting this Utpatti of this world with the order, with a particular order which is mentioned in the Shruti. Means in Brahma Sutra, this topic is discussed and Vyavastha, particular order has been set. So, why it is done by Sutrakara and Bhashyakara when really there is no order? If order is not there, then we should not set up the order. We should not systematize the order. Something which is not there, why should we systematize? So that is the possible question which is answered in the next paragraph. यद्यपि सूत्र भाष्य कृतौ द्वितीयाध्याये जगदुत्पत्ति प्रतिपादक श्रुति वाक्यानां परस्परं विरोधं परिहरन्तौ तैत्तरीयोक्त सृष्टिक्रमः एव सर्वोपनिषदाम् अर्थः इति वर्णितवन्तौ तद् मंदाधिकारी समाधानार्थम इति ज्ञेयम्. And whatever is done by the Sutra Bhashya Krutau. Sutra Bhashya Krutau means Sutrakara and Bhashyakara. Sutra Shabdena Vyasakruta Brahma Sutram, Bhashya Shabdena Shri Shankara Bhagavad Pada Bhashyam Cha Grahyam. In this word Sutra Bhashya Krutau, Krutau means the creator, composer. The composer of Sutra and composer of Bhashya. And what is the meaning of Sutra? Brahma Sutra, which is made by Vedavyasa. And what is Bhashyam? The Bhashyam, the commentary of Shankara Bhagavad Pada. This, so by Sutra word, Brahma Sutra is referred to. By Bhashya, the commentary on the Sutra is referred to. So Sutra Bhashya Krutau means the Vedavyasa and Shankaracharya ji. Varnitavantau, they presented, they described. Yet, whatever they describe. What they described? Dvitiyadhyaye, in the second chapter of Brahma Sutra, Jagadutpatti Pratipadaka Shruti Vakyanam Paraspara Virodham Pariharantau. In the second chapter, when both of them are dismissing the mutual contradiction of the Shruti Vakyas, Jagadutpatti Pratipadaka, the Shruti Vakyas which are revealing the creation of the world, these Vakyas do not have mutual contradiction. So when they are removing the contradiction of the Shruti Vakyas talking about the creation, then while doing that, while removing this, while dismissing the mutual contradiction of the Shruti Vakyas talking about the Jagadutpatti, Taittiriya Ukta Srushti Krama Eva Sarvopanishadam Arthaha. All Upanishads have got their subject matter in Taittiriya Ukta Srushti Krama. So all Shruti Vakyas are finally conveying the order of creation which is mentioned in Taittiriya. What is the order? Tasmad Vaye, Tasmad Atmana Akasha Sambhuta, etc. That order alone is the meaning of all the Upanishads which are talking about creation. So Sarvopanishadam means Sarva Srishti Pratipadaka Upanishadam. Of all the Upanishads which are talking about the creation, their meaning, their message is the Krama, the order which is order of creation which is talked about in Taittiriya. Iti Varnita Vantau. So Bhagavan Sutrakara and Bhagavan Bhashyakara presented that even though there are different presentations, descriptions of creation, but all of them should be understood in line with the Krama which is mentioned in Taittiriya. If only 3 Mahabhutas are mentioned, 2 you have to add. So for us, Taittiriya Ukta Srishti Krama is the standard one. That has been said in the Sutra. So iti Varnita Vantau. The karta for that is Sutra Bhashya Krutau. Sutrakara and Bhashyakara are those who have described this. Tat. Yet whatever they said, Yadapi, whatever they said, Tat, that particular description, Mandadhikari Samadhanartham. It is for the purpose of the satisfaction, resolution of the Mandadhikari. Mandadhikari means the slow learner. And means it is not the main Siddhanta, but sometimes certain things are said for the satisfaction or the resolution of the doubts of Mandadhikari. Certain things they cannot handle. Like children, when they ask how rain comes, then this phenomenon of this vaporization, etc., is little difficult. So we said Bhagavan sends rain. Or there are some elephants who are sending rain. or Indra is asking all the clouds to go and pour. In this manner, some samadhanam is given. Similarly, here this Srishti Krama is talked about for Mandadikari. पूर्वं वर्णितम उत्पत्ति वाक्यानां वस्तुभूतम अभिप्रायम अवगंतुम असमर्थाः मंद जिज्ञासवः परस्पर विरुद्धानि वाक्यानि दृष्ट्वा भ्रांताः मा भुवन् इति सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ सर्वोपनिषदाम् आकाशादिक्रमेण एव जगदुत्पत्तौ तात्पर्यमिति प्रदर्शयामासतुः. So he says, Purvam Varnitam, the Abhiprayam, the real intention of Shruti which was described earlier. Earlier means what? In this page itself, Varnanasya Ayam Ashayaha, that this creation is presented for only Advitiyatvam of Brahman, that particular idea, that particular Tatparyam of all the Utpatti Vakyanam, Vastu Bhuta Abhiprayam, the real intention which was described earlier. So the real intention which was described earlier, the real intention of what? The Utpatti Vakyanam, of all the sentences related to creation. So real Abhiprayam avagantum asamarthaha, the people who are incapable of understanding. Who are they? Manda Jignasavaha, those who are slow learners, or those who are desirous of learning but have got little less intelligence. For them, this type of answer is given. Why? Why compromised answer is given? Paraspara viruddhani vakyani drishtva bhrantaha ma bhuvan. Let those mandadikari not become deluded on seeing the sentences which are mutually contradictory. So in Chandogya Upanishad, the 3 Mahabhutas are talked about. In Taittiriya, 5 Mahabhutas are talked about. In Prashnopanishad, Rahi Pranas are highlighted. So, Paraspara Viruddhani Vakyani Drishtva, seeing these mutually contradictory sentences, let them not become Bhrantaha, deluded. That too in Upanishad, everything is contradictory, Upanishad is not a Pramanam. All this type of delusion, let it not be. Iti krutva, having considered that fact, Sutra Bhashya Krutau, Sutrakara and Bhashyakara, Sarvopanishadam Akashadi Krameneva Jagadutpattau Tatparyam. All the Upanishad Vakyas related to the creation have got Tatparyam, commitment in showing the creation of the world with the order which is mentioned, the order of Akasha, etc. Akasha, Vayu, Vayu, Agni. That order which is mentioned in the Taittiriya, in conveying the order of creation which is given in Taittiriya alone, all these Srishti related Vakyas have got Tatparyam. Iti, in this manner, Pradarshaya Masatuhu is a little akara. So, Sutrakara and Bhashyakara presented in this manner. More we'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo